Hello everyone, welcome to a fresh new video on Fiiber. I am Aman and I am at the OnePlus 11 covering the OnePlus 11 concept. This is the phone, guys. This looks very cool and I'm going to talk about all that you need to know about the OnePlus 11 concept. But before that, if you're new here, consider hitting the red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. So guys, as you can see in my hands is the OnePlus 11 concept, and this phone is a marvel to look at. It's gorgeous and it is futuristic. Of course, the main highlight is the active cryo flux technology. This is the liquid cooling. So up until now we have seen liquid cooling in PCs, but OnePlus has made it possible and brought it to a smartphone. Of course, let me clear you out first thing that this is just a concept phone for now, but unlike the last concept that came a few years ago from OnePlus, this one is also concept, but we are sure that in the coming years we might see a phone like this to be a reality, and the future is not very far. So how does this work? Is this there are two micro pumps around this area which basically takes the heat from the chipset and then dissipates it with the liquid flowing around here and there. As you can see, it looks very cool. These are pipelines and things are flowing, guys. As you can see in this blue liquid, it's very cool. It looks so futuristic, and initially I thought that when I first saw the renders of this phone, I thought that OnePlus has done something like nothing. They would just attach lights to the back of a phone and they would make the OnePlus concept, but no, I was so wrong. This is so much more. This is a performance driven device, and how this liquid cooling, what this liquid cooling does is that once you game on the OnePlus 11 concept, the temperature decreases by 2 to 4 degrees, and it also improves the frame rate. While charging also, the temperature drops to about 1.6 degrees. That's what the company claims. So that is the advantages that this liquid cooling technology brings to the table. Of course, again and again I keep on saying it looks gorgeous to look at. It looks futuristic. Quad curves you can see at the back, OnePlus branding here, you can see right here, quad curves. The alert slider is here. Of course, it's a OnePlus 11 after all, and this is not a, by the way, this is not a design. This is a frosted glass and this is transparent, as you can see. So everything that you're seeing, it's right under the glass. It's transparent. It looks pretty cool. Now on the front, if you come, now OnePlus was also saying that this is the concept phone. They have pushed the boundaries with the bezels. Well, I think this is the same OnePlus 11 at the front. Not that I'm complaining about the bezels. The OnePlus 11 has supremely slim bezels, but nothing different here. So I don't know what was OnePlus talking about regarding the bezel situation. But other than this, I also tried my hands with the about device section, wherein I could not get any sneak peek into the so if you can see the processor details or the model details, this one has a 3000 mAh battery. What are you kidding me for? So of course, wrong details mentioned inside the about device section, but otherwise, as you can see, this is just a OnePlus 11 but with a futuristic technology and a much more cooler outlook. So that is your OnePlus 11 concept. I really wish this phone could have been a commercial device, but I'm also hoping that the future, as I said, is coming very soon, and this is the future in my hands. Can't wait to test it out in the coming future. And that was all that you need to know about the OnePlus 11 concept. Of course, a futuristic device. We are not going to see it as a commercial unit yet, but of course OnePlus has taken an initiative, and I totally appreciate the OnePlus 11 concept. What do you think about the OnePlus 11 concept? Let me know everything in the comments below, and as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.